Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about basic terms used in thread terminology. The threads are helical in shape that turns around cylinder of screw and that converts rotational moment into linear moment. The various thread elements are shown in figure. Crest is the highest point of thread. It is also known as peak. Root is the lowest point of thread. Flank is the thread portion connecting peak and root. Major diameter is the diameter of thread at the crests and it is also called outer diameter. Minor diameter is the diameter of thread at the roots. Pitch is the distance between thread peaks along the length of the fitting. Flank angle is the angle between a flank and the perpendicular thread axis. Angle of thread is the angle between two adjacent flanks measured in plane axis. Taper angle is the angle between the taper and the center axis of the thread. Helix angle is the angle between the inclination of the thread and an imaginary line drawn perpendicular to the thread axis. I hope you have understood. We will meet in the next video, inshallah.